For me, it is very literal and mischievous for anybody to say Addo and sign.
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. By whom you from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be. Na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no yekɔ we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mra sisi
no. And I'm at say I'm for be raise this argument and say other than Addo answer. And also you're very, very political. As MBI, you want the means, you want the literal, you want the golden, and you want the mischief.
Okay.
For me, it is very literal and mischievous for anybody to say Addo answer. That is an unfair statement. And I take my source from the president himself, President John Dramani Mahama Nankasa. Only the first person to tell us the truth. See, you now cry in doubt ni nimni ekwa. Omampeni di nimni ekwa. Omampeni say anti-LGBT bill was never sent to President Akufo-Addo to sign.
Yeah.
And 190 is as same way that.
Waka.
Those who say, including Minya Opoma and Opewaka, the same thing. No, it is.
Prof.
Yeah.
Pass that bill.
Yeah.
The presidency. So
Are you doubting what the president said?
I'm doubting that.
The issue is this.
Because there's that kind of back and forth.
The issue is what I know is they planned transmitting the bill to the president.
Yes.
And Omone Asante Bedetu Kasai.
Yes.
Asante Bedetu wrote to them.
Yeah.
Some more mumfamba.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
there is an issue pertaining in court.
Yeah.
And Oman Peninsula can say the bill was supposed to come to him, but he hears a certain young man has taken the matter to court. So it never reached his table to sign.
So are you
So
in support of what I'm saying?
So because yeah, the idea to na na do anim na one sign. And no man penny kase. Per his records. Oman penny kase the bill never got to Nanado. Whether by mischief or otherwise, President court na hono. There were no records showing say the bill has come to the table of the president. And no
there's a record to show say there were attempts.
There's a difference between
moves by the presidency to
there's a difference between
the transmission of the bill.
The Omampeni canon say bill na meto Omampeni enim so on side. Whether there was mischief or otherwise to stop it no one can. But no person can say bill na meto enim.
President John Dramani Mahama say. President John Dramani Mahama say. Anti-LGBT bill was never sent to President Akufo-Addo to sign. Full stop. He continues. Someone sued the speaker to prevent him from submitting the bill to the president.
Jamaica can call right, mommy.
Someone sued the speaker to prevent him from submitting the bill to the president. So the bill never reached President Akufo-Addo.
And it's true, the speaker was sued.
In America, say, Nasuli Adrian Yeno. Nia mesuma dwen ye me nia obi o
ye nyina gitum ye se bill na dia come na nado and also on sign. That was the message.
Omahine Omahene, enya botre, yina yeba system ni mache. Who were the people making that call?
It was the opposition.
The opposition, who needed power, all means possible.
Yeah.
You wanted them to say the bill has not been sent to Akufo-Addo. Then that is not politics. And then enya manyosem ne ye no. Amanyosem nti ne behwe Osla ni maka say Osla o gay, back on o lesbian. And yes, I say nka ye manyosem to anka nobody can say that of Esla. Enti yenye ntum say ya manyosem na ye ninti no. E ma fa baby a ye NDC for that time and no mu petumi. E ka say Mampene Akufo-Addo so on sign. Bill need an name so on sign. And I may say in Suateri Adiachi, the president has taken over the office. He has checked all the records available to him. And he is saying that the anti-LGBT bill was never sent to President Akufo-Addo. Why would I go by Minya Sule's argument? It was sent. It was sent. Is there any case that Sule will know better than President John Dramani Mahama?
No way.
By records, by procedure, by whatever. Oh, no, what documents, you know. He is the president. Addo we a video. And you go for a video national and for. Until I say go so to have say net 2026 say a mischievous interpretation there. And ye baby son and others are didn't know one sign. That is mischief. But the truth of the matter is that the opportunity where bills are tabled before the president in the morning, say, President, this table, President Mama ye be in or my camera. That opportunity never afforded President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Says our 24 hours economy policy, no. So one more bayanka, one more ye. Would you not tone, Chaya? Sa 24 hours economy policy, no. So one more baya. Nanka one more baba, one more castle, one more car, 24 hours market. One more baba, 24 hours loan. One more bayanka, one more year into a honomania for your market yard, didn't it? Are you according to for your market or say, Bay now, one more debre and then a no Akufo-Addo abresono. I didn't think one more farmer John Dramani Mahama, Emma sign. It is half on your market a casa. I will video him at the TNDC. May you write media 200% because I bear now percent MPP sign. Sankana ya the papa or wabreso and President John Dramani Mahama as a soul man sign. Nikwaya mekai Nikwasa ma mekai ni Nikwasa ma mekai Mada na wotanfu ana
Me say me catch the play. Na you playing fa. Say NDC for in this case. Mu ni pa bonifo. China meka no.
Ozo na da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na Dankwa Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi we component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say hospitals and it goes on and no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is can kwa kede was say botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. a comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say any Ghana for dey na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 ju a then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yan nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems mo so open ko nkete isi enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire ba dwen mani ma so o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de ra John Dramani mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
sese die ko ye kra de menu na tumi hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma oda and onya juma oda amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa.
Or since I am not. Listen for the first time. Nam one and quack baby aquadan and nam one. Yes. Not just say, was in Ukraine say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem in
economy no kwa
problem in say, Papa or council of state member or company. To good a year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone ano near juma kobia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business and nipa na fakes di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o call court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No, what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court, and as high court I really say the oil unique case what ferry akona koda afi de o de fe de na afi de wo so buy say enye mokura mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa maaye no issue document say we a fugitive a wo dwane tango personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda and you so sad
no Raymond no ankasa me ne matinye mabaye miensa bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the me hu no wo the very soon be hu recordings e be pie
Raymond
very soon be hu recordings e be pie
ajiegu
and this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash am fe ya sorry am fe na nsi for ma